The Toledo Zoo has a unique department called Wild Toledo that's dedicated to our local wildlife. One of these species is the monarch butterfly, which has seen a drastic decrease in its population over the last several years. On this episode of Conservation Today, we're going to learn all about this conservation program. Monarch butterflies are incredible insects with a lot of unique characteristics, including their iconic bright orange wings, which act to warn predators of their toxin. Monarchs have a poison called cardiac glycoside, which comes from the milkweed the monarch caterpillars strictly feed on. The monarchs east of the Rocky Mountains fly to Mexico for winter, undergoing the largest and longest migration of any invertebrate on Earth. In the spring, the monarch butterflies will work their way back north in search of milkweed to lay their eggs. Unfortunately, a lot of suitable monarch habitat is quickly disappearing, causing the population to decline. Fortunately, the Toledo Zoo has a plan to bolster the migrants' numbers and provide perfect habitat for wild populations.
So you're standing today in the Wild Toledo Butterfly Conservation Greenhouse. Here we have monarchs as well as Mitchell-Sater butterflies that we're working on conserving. Most of this greenhouse, about 3/4 of the greenhouse, is dedicated to monarchs. So we're using swamp milkweed, which is one of their host plants, and we're rearing approximately 1,000 monarchs. Each one of these monarchs will receive a unique identifier tag, and then the monarchs, approximately 24 to 48 hours after they close or hatch out of their chrysalis, we'll release them into the wild and they'll begin their journey down to Mexico. Monarchs have, over the last 10 to 15 years, undergone a drastic population decrease in their overwintering grounds in Mexico. A lot of this is due to loss of habitat in their summer range, which is mainly due to the use of neonicotinoid pesticides as well as Roundup Ready corn and soybean crops. As well as releasing approximately 1,000 monarchs for the migratory journey, we've also, with Wild Toledo, installed approximately 28 acres of prairie in urban Toledo.
By visiting the Toledo Zoo and making purchases at the concession stands and gift shops, you support this and other conservation programs like this. But in addition, you could support your own monarch butterfly tag and participate in a release program. To learn more, visit toledozoo.org. Thanks for watching.